Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the error, user profile cannot be loaded Windows 11. To start, on the lock screen, click on the power off button and with the shift key, click on restart. This allows advanced system reboot to be activated. After this, click on troubleshoot and then reset this PC. Here, click on keep my files to keep your data and then confirm the type of installation to use. Wait a moment for the task to load. To continue, click Reset. You can see that the PC reset process starts. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You are going to wait for this process to continue. At a certain point, the system will be rebooted. When Windows restarts, you must wait for the reset process to take its course. This involves installing the system. When the process is about to finish, the initial Windows 11 installation environment will load. You must wait a moment for it to complete. You will now have access without the user profile error when you log in. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.